You're at Father Fish. Nice to have
Naresh
you
is a remarkable young man. He informed me the other day he's 19 years old. Naresh lives in Sri
I was
Lanka
gonna say,
in a
I
little
think he's
village.
19.
Pardon?
Yeah, he's 19. Yeah, I didn't know if you had seen that.
Right. Lives in a little village in Sri Lanka, and began working on anyway. Naresh started doing a few things for me on my channel, and I liked what he did, so I asked him to do a few more, uh, and then put him under contract. So this young man, he informed me the other day that this was his first paying job. So I am delighted and thrilled and honored to be able to support him in work that he's doing that is just making an enormous difference in my channel and in what we're doing here. He's doing something I've wanted to do for a long time, which is to pull out some of these little jewels or whatever they are in the streams and post them as standalone videos. And he's doing that. Plus, he's going back and looking at going way back, looking into the Wayback Machine, looking at some older videos and bringing them back to date. So I am delighted and thrilled that Naresh is on the team.
Absolutely. Doing a great job. And I mean, that video he made for you as a tribute to the store is wonderful.
Oh, that's beautiful.
And he did that. He did that out of his love for you. That was way before any of the.
Yeah.
So that was very sweet. Good morning,
Yeah,
George.
that was not a contract job. That's something that
Right.
that was part of
from
what drew me to him, I think. Yeah, very much so.
Yeah. So, and I wish we could turn him blue. I feel bad about that.
No, we cannot turn him blue. And the reason we cannot turn him blue is the same reason I can't turn blue, which is that apparently that we are managers on the site, and as such,
Gotcha.
it doesn't work. I want to introduce to you a young man who I've gotten to know a little bit over the last couple of months and am learning more and more about and becoming more and more impressed with. And I cannot say his first name or his first name, but I know him as Naresh. And he is here among us and is planning to come up on screen today. So I'm hoping, I very much want to be able to do that, to introduce him.
That would be great, because obviously he's been helping out so much. He did that wonderful video for you.
Yeah, you bet. So let's see if he can hear you. Naresh, click on the link and let's get you up here. Give you a chance to meet folks. Now, here he is. Wonderful. Naresh, hello.
Hello, Faris. Hello,
Nice
Joe.
to meet you. How are you, Naresh?
I'm fine. I'm
Nice
fine.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you. You have made we've talked a few times over the phone, and you have, what is my screen doing?
I don't know.
Hold on one second here. Hello. What's going on? Why is it doing that?
What do you think it's doing? We're all here. It looks good.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. There.
Yep.
That's
Perfect.
what I want to do.
Perfect.
Okay. Naresh's, your written English is excellent. One of the reasons I am excited for you to be here is to meet you, to see you, and to give you a chance to talk a little bit because your English is really very good. Experience with fish, Naresh. We've seen a few of your fish tanks on your channel. What is your favorite fish?
My favorite fish is goldfish. I
Me too.
I like to show my tank.
Wonderful.
Yes.
I would love to see your tanks.
Wait.
Okay.
How long have you been keeping fish, Naresh? Oh, he shut his mic off. Okay. I don't know if he knows he shut it off. Maybe he did on purpose.
Probably. He's a pretty smart guy about these things.
Oh, yeah.
Here.
Oh, here we go. Naresh, can you turn your camera the other way? Perfect. Yeah. Thank you.
And turn your mic back on.
Yeah, you muted. You're muted.
This is my black water tank.
You're muted again. I don't know if you can.
He's showing us another tank.
Okay.
This is my most big tank.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Look at
Some
that.
gold is here.
Got some, looks like shabunkins and some iridescent sharks and maybe a fan tank. Cool.
Pelico.
Lekker. Yeah.
Naresh is 19 years old.
This fish is 8 years. I kept.
8 years. Wow.
Wow. Naresh, can you turn your camera again because the tank is sideways?
There we go.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Nice.
Nice.
Thank
They look happy. Happy.
Looks good.
Very good. Very nice.
So Naresh, you are posting videos on my channel and doing a wonderful job.
How long have you been keeping fish, Naresh?
I am keeping 11 years.
11 years? Wow. So since you were very young. Awesome.
9 years.
9. Okay, sorry. Do your parents keep fish as well, or did you just get into the hobby on your own?
Just my father keep fish. He is young boy.
Okay. So you're from a
He
fish
will
keeping.
add my hobby.
We appreciate you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
I show my beta tank.
Yes.
Yes.
Please.
Yes.
Okay.
You have another tank to show us?
Just wait.
Okay.
This is.
We're lagging a little bit, so there we go. Oh, you're at a tank.
Okay.
Very nice.
Oh, this is hospitable.
Yep. It's edible. Nice. Got some good plants in there. Very cool, Naresh.
Okay. Thank you.
Very nice.
Okay, bye, Paris. Enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you,
Nice to
Naresh.
meet
Great. Oh, listen. Tell me something. Say your first name for me.
My first name is Haruna Garan.
Haruna Naresh.
Haruna
Haruna.
Garan Naresh.
Say it one more time.
Haruna Garan Naresh.
Haruna Kare Naresh. Is that
No,
close?
Karuna Garan Naresh.
I think
I
it's
can't, I'm not even going to attempt it.
Naresh.
And I
Thank you for
apologize.
being on.
I can't come close. I know I can't.
I am very happy we had the chance to meet and talk with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Very
Paris. Thank
nice.
you. Joy. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye now.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Wow. Well, that's sweet.
Oh, he's cute. Cute young man.
Yes,
It's so
indeed.
hard because not only do we have the little bit of the language barrier, we have a lag as well. You know, so it just
Yeah.
made it hard. But I'm glad he was able to come up and we could
He
see
is
him.
halfway around the world. He's
Exactly.
in Sri Lanka, which is a large island just south of India in the Indian Ocean, roughly 12 hours away from us.
Right.
Now we have
Not much
have
lag.
what?
I said, so when you look at it that way, we didn't really have that much of a lag.
Yeah, I
And you realize
suppose.
how far apart we really are. Yeah.
Well, I hope you found something you've never seen before. Have a great day. Nice having you with us. Come on back.